Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn off the engine before you open the hood. Locate the airbox on the passenger side of the engine bay. It is a black plastic box with a large intake snorkel. Gather tools, one 10mm socket, a flat screwdriver, and a clean shop rag. Also buy the correct replacement engine air filter for a 2017 Toyota Sienna before you begin. Wear gloves and eye protection to avoid contact with oil and debris. Open the airbox by releasing the 3 metal clips or removing any screws or bolts holding the lid. Keep dropped fasteners in a tray so they don't get lost. Gently pull the intake hose out of the lid if needed, then lift the lid straight up and set it aside. Remove the old filter by pulling it straight out. If it's very dirty, avoid tipping or tapping it over the engine so debris does not fall into the throttle body. Inspect and wipe the inside of the airbox with a clean rag. Place the new engine air filter into the lower airbox with the rubber gasket facing up and the pleats aligned with the box walls. Ensure the filter sits flat and the gasket is fully compressed to seal. Reposition the lid, reconnect any intake hose, and fasten the 3 clips or reinstall screws and the 110mm bolt until they are snug. Do not over-tighten plastic fasteners. Close the hood, start the engine, listen for abnormal intake noise, and double-check for loose hoses or gaps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.